is one of the folk dance of the Cookies. It depicts the migratory route of Noimal. Both men and women dressed in colorful costumes, distinctive headgears, and unique beats, forming different parallel line of men and women perform this dance. Men jump profusely, clearing the weeds that comes their way, while women pick up the weeds cut down by the band and throw it away. In the middle, Pusong Tu, brandishing his sword and occasionally beat an idiophone, command his kinsmen to press on till they reach their destination. The two male leaders shout aloud to wade away the evil spirit that may come their way, while women dancers are known for their graceful and sophisticated dance style.
Sutalam is performed in order to recruit strong and able young men to the military unit. It is a dance performed with the help of bamboos. The dance is performed between two men and women who face each other from opposite sides of a square, each pair holding two bamboos, one each in one's hand. As the pair close their bamboos together, the other pair parts theirs at right angles and so in alternately in varying time. The dancer has to skip from the spaces formed by the closing bamboos into those formed by the parting bamboos in time to the singing and with enough agility to save his or her ankles from severe confusion.
chit na nei ho min pe lu ding kitin ichibang chun SYC Education and Statistics in Charge milun pajang dongan la nuwa ching no guiten collection in the board building su kiel long mai te ilo la ting lo long ma la min ham aki tu lo chet ilo la min ke koi ting lo tu chana imusi he kun ka kim pe ting ho yin jibana ting le ko ma jong la sin seva program ke chai ka long ga sin tu ne te o ma le ke tu ki ti ba kim ye he